Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Isomac Milano espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a little bit of work, starting by replacing the heating element, this one that you see right here. Unfortunately this machine was not heating up, and that was because of the heating element and partially the fuse. We replaced the fuse first and to see if the heating element was still working, but unfortunately it was not. It doesn't longer heat up anything at all. Once we were here, we found out one of the lights were a little bit well, you can kind of see the case of the light broke. The light itself still works, but it's very sensible right now, so it's best to just replace it at this point. And we also did a good descale of this machine. There was a ton of scale, especially on the boiler water side. We descaled everything inside it. The E61 group head as well as the boiler. Replaced the gasket of the E61 group head and just give it a good service and good clean. So started with one shot of espresso. We're gonna test it out. Hopefully I pick up the right grain saves of this machine. Otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. It's a single basket and a single portafilter. So we're just gonna do a really single portion. It should be around here. Some crema build up. I probably should have used a bit more coffee. Yes, I should have used a bit more coffee. You can see some water on the top, and to get that extra perfect crema coming out of that cup. You can still see a little bit of layer there, and you can see it around, but this could be so much better. We deplete everything inside the group head. The water flow of the machine is great. It's amazing. Really good temperature. Working perfectly fine. Pressure of the steam one is excellent as well. Really good temperature, excellent pressure coming out of the steam one. And for the hot water, nice steady stream coming out of the machine, and not gonna touch that, but that's definitely a good temperature as well. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.